Hello everyone, and welcome to Malaga. This Andalusian gem, nestled on Spain's sunny Costa del Sol, has captured the hearts of travelers for centuries. From the ancient Moorish fortress to the vibrant squares buzzing with life, Malaga is a feast for the senses. Get ready to wander through historic streets, savor delicious tapas, and soak up the sun on golden beaches. So, grab your walking shoes, adjust your sunglasses, and let's dive into the magic of Malaga together. Dominating the city skyline is the Alcazaba, a magnificent Moorish fortress dating back to the 11th century. The Alcazaba is a labyrinth of courtyards, fountains, and arched passageways, each turn revealing breathtaking views of the city and the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. Take your time, exploring the intricate tile work, a hallmark of Moorish architecture, as you wander through the palace's cool, shaded gardens. Think of the sultans and courtiers who once sought refuge from the Andalusian sun in this very oasis. Before you leave, be sure to climb to the top of the watchtower. From here, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of Malaga, stretching from the bullring to the port. This is the perfect spot to snap some photos and take in the grandeur of this ancient fortress. Now, let's dive into the heart of Malaga's shopping and social scene, Calle Larios. This elegant marble-paved street is a pedestrian's paradise, lined with designer boutiques, department stores, and charming cafes. As you stroll down Calle Larios, notice the architectural details of the buildings. Stop for a coffee or a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice at one of the sidewalk cafes and watch the world go by. Calle Larios is also a hub for street performers, from flamenco dancers to living statues. Whether you're searching for a special souvenir or simply soaking up the vibrant atmosphere, Calle Larios is a must experience in Malaga. As we leave the bustle of Calle Larios behind, let's venture into the side streets and discover the hidden gems tucked away in Malaga's historic center. Rising above the rooftops of Malaga's historic center is the Catedral de la Encarnación, a magnificent cathedral that embodies the city's rich history. Construction of this architectural masterpiece began in the 16th century on the site of a former mosque, and its design reflects a fascinating blend of architectural styles, from Gothic to Renaissance. Step inside, and you'll be awestruck by the soaring ceilings, intricate stained glass windows, and ornate chapels. Take a moment to admire the elaborately carved choir stalls, considered some of the finest examples of Spanish Renaissance woodwork. Don't miss the chance to climb the cathedral's North Tower, affectionately known as La Manquita, or the One-Armed Lady, because its South Tower was never completed. The climb is well worth the effort, rewarding you with breathtaking views of Malaga's rooftops, the Alcazaba, and the Mediterranean Sea. No trip to Malaga would be complete without celebrating the city's most famous son, Pablo Picasso. The Museo Picasso Malaga, housed in a beautifully restored 16th century palace, showcases the evolution of Picasso's artistic genius through more than 200 of his works. As you wander through the galleries, you'll trace Picasso's artistic journey from his early academic paintings to his groundbreaking Cubist masterpieces. The museum also houses a collection of Picasso's personal artifacts, including ceramics, sculptures, and even his childhood drawings, offering a glimpse into the artist's life and creative process. Just a short stroll from the museum is Plaza de la Merced, where Picasso was born in 1881. As you explore Picasso's Malaga, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the city's profound impact on one of the 20th century's most influential artists. Now, let's tantalize our taste buds with a visit to Adarazanas Market, Malaga's bustling culinary heart. Housed in a former 14th century shipyard, this architectural gem is a feast for the senses, with colorful stalls overflowing with fresh produce, seafood, meats, cheeses, and more. As you wander through the market, breathe in the aromas of spices, fresh herbs, and just-caught seafood. Be sure to sample some local delicacies, such as olives, almonds, and espetos, sardines skewered and grilled over an open fire, a true Malagueño treat. The market's most striking feature is its grand entrance, a magnificent horseshoe-shaped archway that once served as the shipyard's main gate. The intricate Moorish design is a reminder of Malaga's layered history and the architectural treasures waiting to be discovered throughout the city. Whether you're a foodie or simply enjoy the energy of a local market, a Tarazana's market is a must experience in Malaga. In the heart of Malaga, just steps from the bustling port, lies a verdant oasis, Malaga Park. This sprawling green space, stretching along the waterfront, is a welcome respite from the city's energy, offering a tranquil escape for locals and visitors alike. As you stroll along the park's shaded pathways, admire the lush subtropical vegetation, from towering palm trees to vibrant flower beds. The park is also home to a variety of sculptures and fountains, adding to its artistic charm. At the eastern end of the park, you'll find the Paseo del Parque, a grand promenade lined with elegant 19th century buildings. Whether you're seeking a moment of tranquility or a breath of fresh air, Malaga Park offers a welcome escape in the heart of the city. Perched high above Malaga, offering breathtaking panoramic views, stands Gibralfaro Castle, a testament to the city's strategic importance throughout history. Built in the 10th century by the Moors and later expanded by the Catholic monarchs, Gibralfaro Castle has witnessed centuries of history unfold beneath its walls. As you explore the castle's ramparts, imagine the sentries who once guarded Malaga from this very spot, their eyes scanning the horizon for potential invaders. The views from the top are simply breathtaking, encompassing the entire city, the port, and the Mediterranean, stretching out as far as the eye can see. Inside the castle walls, you'll find a small museum where you can delve into the history of Gibralfaro and its role in Malaga's past. A visit to Gibralfaro Castle is not just a journey back in time, but an opportunity to experience Malaga from a whole new perspective, appreciating its beauty and strategic location from a bird's-eye view. No trip to the Costa del Sol would be complete without indulging in some well-deserved relaxation on Malaga's beautiful beaches. With miles of golden sand lapped by the azure waters of the Mediterranean, Malaga offers the perfect beach escape for every taste. For a lively beach experience, head to Playa de la Malagueta, located just east of the city center. This popular beach is a hub of activity, with sunbathers, swimmers, and volleyball players enjoying the sun and sand. You'll also find numerous chiringuitos, beachfront restaurants serving up delicious seafood and refreshing drinks. If you prefer a more tranquil setting, venture further east to Pedregalejo or El Palo. No matter which beach you choose, be sure to pack your swimsuit, sunscreen, and a good book, and prepare to soak up the sun and the relaxed vibes of the Costa del Sol. As the sun begins to set, it's time to immerse ourselves in one of Spain's most beloved traditions, tapas. Malaga's tapas scene is as vibrant and diverse as the city itself, offering a delicious culinary adventure for every palate. For an authentic local experience, head to the historic district around Calle Granada or Plaza de la Merced. Here, you'll find a plethora of traditional tapas bars, each with its own unique character and specialties. Don't be afraid to try something new. From gambas al pil pil garlic shrimp, to patatas bravas, spicy potatoes, to albondigas, meatballs. The options are endless and always delicious. Part of the fun of tapas is the social aspect. Grab a seat at the bar, order a few dishes to share with friends, and enjoy the lively atmosphere as locals and visitors alike gather to enjoy good food and good company. As our day in Malaga draws to a close, let's head to Muelle Uno, the city's revitalized port area, for a final taste of Malaga's magic. This vibrant waterfront promenade offers stunning views of the city skyline, the Gibralfaro Castle illuminated against the twilight sky, and the Mediterranean Sea shimmering under the setting sun. Stroll along the pier, lined with shops, restaurants, and bars, each offering a different perspective on the harbor. This is the perfect spot to enjoy a leisurely dinner, savoring fresh seafood and local wines as the sun dips below the horizon. As the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, take a moment to reflect on the day's adventures. Whether you're bidding farewell to this captivating city or simply saying hasta luego until tomorrow, let the magic of Malaga stay with you long after the sun has set. That's a wrap on our whirlwind tour of Malaga. From its rich history and vibrant culture to its stunning beaches and delicious cuisine, Malaga has something to offer every traveler. I hope this video has inspired you to add this Andalusian gem to your travel bucket list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more travel adventures. And if you have any questions about planning your own trip to Malaga, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy travels.